Downtime tracking. In any production environment, whether manufacturing, energy, or logistics, there's one critical word representing lost productivity, missed deadlines, and ultimately, lost revenue: downtime. Simply put, when our equipment isn't running, we're not generating value. We all experience downtime. However, the critical questions are: do you truly understand it? Can you precisely measure the time you're losing, identify which assets cause the most disruption, and pinpoint exactly why they fail? Without clear answers to these questions, effectively addressing root issues becomes nearly impossible. This is why downtime tracking is essential. What exactly is downtime tracking? Downtime tracking is the systematic process of recording, monitoring, and analyzing every instance when equipment or a production line isn't operational during scheduled production time. It goes beyond merely noting a stoppage. It involves capturing detailed insights such as when the downtime occurred, its duration, and, most importantly, the exact reasons behind it. Why is recording downtime so powerful? Visibility and problem identification, quantifying business impact, root cause analysis, performance measurement, validating improvements. What data should you record for effective downtime tracking? Asset identification, start date and time, end date and time, total duration, standardized downtime reason codes, brief description of the event and actions taken. How do you capture this information? There are multiple methods, varying in sophistication: manual logs, Cmms, EAM systems, automated or IIoT solutions. Collecting data is just the beginning. The true value lies in analyzing it. Effective downtime data analysis allows you to run a Pareto analysis to identify the most significant issues, track trends to anticipate and mitigate future problems, calculate essential KPIs like MTBF, MTTR, and integrate these metrics into overall equipment effectiveness calculations for benchmarking. Use insights proactively to adjust preventive maintenance schedules. Challenges in implementing downtime tracking. Implementing effective downtime tracking comes with challenges. Ensuring accurate and timely data relies heavily on disciplined reporting by operators and technicians. Defining clear, standardized reason codes that everyone understands and consistently uses is vital. Importantly, management must actively support and leverage this data for decision-making, otherwise, downtime tracking risks becoming merely an administrative task rather than a tool for improvement. Ultimately, downtime tracking is foundational to operational excellence. It converts anecdotal complaints about equipment reliability into actionable, hard data. It transitions your maintenance approach from reactive firefighting to proactive, data-driven improvements. By thoroughly understanding when, where, why, and how long downtime occurs, you can significantly reduce it, enhancing efficiency, capacity, and profitability. Ask yourself honestly: is your current downtime tracking method providing actionable insights? If not, it's time to refine your approach with Cryotos Cmms software.